This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your door key. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, your new lock cylinder, and the existing key for your door. It's crucial to ensure your new cylinder is the correct size and type, typically a Euro cylinder or a rim cylinder, to fit perfectly. Understanding these basic components will make the entire process much smoother and more efficient for you. Now, let's move on to removing the old lock cylinder. Begin by opening your door and locating the retaining screw on the side, usually near the latch. Use your screwdriver to completely remove this screw. Next, insert your existing key into the cylinder and turn it about 25 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise. This action aligns the cam, allowing you to gently pull the cylinder straight out from the door. It should slide out with minimal effort. With the old cylinder removed, it's time to install your brand new one. Take your new key and insert it into the new cylinder, turning it slightly, just as you did with the old one, to align the cam. Carefully slide the new cylinder into the door, making sure it sits flush with both sides. Once it's in place, reinsert the retaining screw on the side of the door and tighten it securely. Do not over-tighten, as this can damage the lock mechanism. Finally, let's perform some crucial tests to ensure your new lock is working perfectly. Insert the new key from both the inside and outside of the door, turning it to lock and unlock. It should operate smoothly, without any sticking or resistance. Also, close the door and confirm that it latches and locks properly. If everything feels secure and functions as expected, you've successfully changed your door key. Enjoy your enhanced security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.